What's up, guys? And this is part 3 of killing, I'm pretty sure, let's do 35 chickens. And that is a lot of chickens. So let's get started. This time I didn't forget, I need a spear. Oh yeah. So let's get started. First chicken I think there is. What's over here? Follow me. Go. Parkour. Boom. Hey, don't you dare. Bad boy. Two. Ooh. Three. Bro. 6. I think 7. Checks out. Oh, that's 8. 9. And 10. Double digit. Okay. 20 more to go. Ooh. 11. 11. 12. 13. 15. It's pretty sure. 15. 16. I think this is. Oh. Pretty sure 16. I think this is gonna be 6. No, I think it'll be 17. It's in comments tell me if I'm wrong. 17. Okay. Oh, a second. 18. 19. And 20. 20. 1. 21. And 20. need 2. And 3. 4. Oh, I'm gonna keep this. I'm gonna set them up right here. Wait, what the hell is it? Oh, look at your brother. Yo, how do you like how I killed your brother? How do you... Here. How do you like that I killed your brother? Or no, hell no, he's eating his brother. Hell no. 25. Oh, what are you doing? Tricks up! Oh, frick, that was so bad. Why? You got... Sorry, let me do crow attack moves. Bro. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting that back. Oh, so close. Oh, thank God. I'll be 27 or 26. I think 26. Where is it? There's one. Oh, it's 20 feet out. I was just trying to get it over there. What? Yo! But what? Bro, what? Yo, what? Did y'all just see that? Did you just see what just happened, bro? Bro, I'm sorry, it was your brother, bro. I need food. Just get you over here. Bro, they got their whole gang, bro. Like, I'm sorry. My bad. Bro. Okay, I guess 26. 27. Oh man. Oh no. Oh, thank God. But can I really just not? Can I not grab my spear? Oh. Where there's so oh. Yeah. I think 30. I think it's 31. I think. Oh. Here. Yeah. Okay. 32. 3, 4, and here I am. And for the moment we've been waiting for, it's happening. You guys ready? It's going to happen. It's going to happen. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I'm sorry. This took so long. It took me years. It took me days. Well, there's such a this. It took me forever and ever. But it finally happened. Here. It took so long. Get out of here. There's nothing. Dang, sorry, chickens are insane. Also, red apple.